Um, Good morning. Your interview will be in Mumbai. And now, um, can you please tell us about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Lavanya. I am from Chennai. I completed my BDS from SRM Dental College in Chennai, and I pursued master degree in hospital administration from Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research from Chennai. After that, I joined Star Health Insurance, and I have 1.7 years of experience in claims administration, sir. Uh, I live with my parents. My father was doing business, and my mother is a homemaker.
Good. Which year did you complete your BDS?
I passed out in 2018, sir.
And you were telling about some hospital management. Was it
Yes.
after that or before that?
After that, sir.
Which year you did that one?
Immediately after passing out of BDS, after a 6 months period, I joined MBA, and it was a 2 year course, so I completed in 2021.
Acha, acha. MBA in health management. Is it so? Like
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
MBA in finance. Oh. Acha. First time I'm hearing this. I have never heard MBA in health management. Can you tell me which institute did you study?
Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, sir.
Which I think it is in Poru.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, good. Now, please tell me what are the subjects you studied in that post graduation?
Sir, we learn about hospital management. And specifically, in the first year, they'll teach us all basic subjects of an MBA, like accounting, marketing, legal aspects of business,
Hmm,
and and after that, in second and third sem, we were exposed to entrepreneurship,
hmm,
um, logistics and supply chain management,
hmm,
quality management in healthcare system,
hmm,
accreditation of hospitals,
hmm.
and healthcare governance, etc.
Oh, good. Very good. Um, see, what do you know about the health insurance schemes that are being given by state government or by central government? Which schemes you are familiar with? Recently, they have introduced a scheme for people above 70 years age. Are you aware of
Yes,
that?
sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
that scheme?
I'm aware of it, sir. Sir, it was Ayushman Bharat, uh, Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya scheme. Um,
Mm,
it was introduced in 2018, uh, and the features are the family will be indemnified by 5 lakh rupees in case of an hospitalization from a secondary or tertiary care hospital. So uh,
mm,
recently they have gave an update where the policy can also be issued to senior citizens aged above 70 years. Initially, the age limit was 18 years to 50 years, I guess.
Now, I think it is Ayushman Bharat Health Insurance.
Yes, sir.
Ayushman Bharat Insurance Scheme. This scheme is for people above 70 years, up to 5 lakhs in a year. Uh, in a year, or what is it? I don't know. 5 lakhs, they
Yes, sir.
have told.
Five lakh per year.
Year, acha. Good. So, do you think this scheme will come out successful, or will it result in poor service in the hospitals?
Uh, I think this scheme would benefit lots of senior citizens because insurance penetration is very low in our country. And according to a report by ADB, the report called Aging Well in Asia, the insurance coverage for senior citizens was about only 21% in India. So According to me, the scheme would benefit the senior citizens. And in the view from hospitals, the secondary and tertiary care hospitals uh, may feel that um,
No, no. Do you now tell
to
me
manage.
whether this scheme will be of it will help insurance companies or it will affect insurance companies? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
You
I
have
think
to
the
you
scheme.
have to take a stand either for or
Yes, sir.
against. Yeah.
In the view of insurance company, I guess the scheme will not be in a good
Mhm.
it will not be a good cost for them because they cannot manage with without premium. No, sir.
No, no, they will not give it free. See, actually, in my view, it will be beneficial for insurance companies because whatever it is, this scheme has to be distributed among the health insurance companies.
Okay,
Whether they give it to Star Health or National Insurance or they divide it among them, it will be distributed among themselves. And
okay,
as it is in our country, insurance penetration is low and people are not taking insurance. So
mm,
they are not paying monies to the insurance companies. But now, by virtue of this, reasonable premium can be worked out so that the government will bear that premium to the insurance
okay,
companies, and the insurance companies will be bearing the insurance claims. So it
okay, sir.
will, I think it will certainly help the insurance companies. Their workload will increase and um, more premium will come. And it is also a social welfare scheme. So it is helpful for the society.
Okay, sir.
So we should take a stand that it is helpful for the society and
Okay,
it will also become helpful for the companies, considering the fact they are of service to people. You can
okay.
analyze like that. Very good. And you were telling about so many other subjects like hospital management and all. What is it that you study there?
Sir, we were taught about all departments in the hospital, um, from outpatient department, inpatient department, radiology department, and all specialist department, and we were taught about the processes, uh,
Mm.
and the main goal was to analyze the process and to make it effective by using the quality tools they have taught us,
Good.
so that the hospital process goes in a in a flow without any interruption, making it effective for the patient experience.
You studied BDS.
Yes, sir.
Is it a 4 year degree or 3 year degree?
4 year degree and 1 year compulsory rotating internships.
1 year compulsory work experience. Is it so?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, that means 5 years.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Where did you have your work experience? Same Ramchandra Hospital?
Uh, I did BDS from SRM College, sir. So
Acha, acha.
in
So
SRM Dental College.
you SRM Dental College. You attended
Yes,
there.
sir.
Right. Now, what are the qualities required for a dentist to be successful in his work?
Primarily, a dentist should be empathetic with active listening skills and then with analytical and problem solving skills. He should first listen to the complete patient history, uh, get to know the problem completely, and then provide a solution.
Correct. Now, why you are not interested in taking up a private practice? or why you are not joining a hospital service, practical service. There
Okay.
are two options. One is either you start a business of your own or you join somebody else's business. So why you are not doing that and you opted for working in insurance company and now you are coming to us? What is the reason for that?
Okay. Uh, Sir, as I already said, I passed out in 2018, and uh, discontinuing the career was a tough decision because people around me were suggesting same thing to set up a clinic or to pursue an MDS. But I have searched in websites and I asked suggestions from my professors and my seniors. After that, I realized that the dentist market have been saturated, and so the and to start a clinic and to even pursue an MDS, a huge investment was needed, and so the next best option I had was to join an MBA.
Oh, acha, that's why. You could have, you can join our insurance companies without MBA also, na?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
But uh, I didn't know about insurance jobs and that BDS graduates are required there. Only
Oh,
after passing out MBA, I through a friend's referral, joined Star Health.
oh, good. That's right. So, um, but you say that dentist market is saturated because everybody has got 32 teeth, 32 problems.
Uh,
But of course, the care for health is very less in our country, probably. Is it not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, I uh, after after completing BDS, I was working in a clinic for 6 months. And what I came to know is um, patients are not ready and are not satisfied with the BDS degree, and they wanted a specialist degree
Sure.
to trust.
But to be frank, I never asked about MD and all that. I
Yes,
I I started going to a dentist who
yes,
was
sir.
treating my, say, other relatives. That is how it all started. Sujata
Okay,
madam, there is one doctor Sujata in
okay.
Mylapore or in Alwarpet. Yeah, that's right. So now, mm, so you are happy about joining the insurance companies and why are you trying for bank jobs also?
No, sir.
Acha, why are you not trying?
Sir, I wanted to work in a job where both my degrees of any use. It should be of any use. So,
So what do you think you will be doing if you are recruited into Oriental Insurance?
uh, so the job would be same like what I did in startup. No, sir. It will be claims administration, receiving claims and responding to it, um, listening to patient doubts,
Hmm.
assessing whether the claim is genuine, and checking whether all the documents are there, and checking KYC
Hmm.
completion of the patient, and settling the claim if all the forms are correct and the policies and the policies without any break.
Acha, this recently, United India has come out with advertisement. You saw that?
Yes, sir. I saw that. I have also applied for it.
So you applied for generalist?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. That's right. Good. Now, what were you doing in your Star Health?
Sir, I was designated in a deputy manager position,
Hmm.
and initially for 3 months, I was under Mumbai division, and it was a training period. After that, I was changed to another department and saw clients from Kerala, Chennai, and interior Tamil Nadu.
Mm.
Um, I get different claims from hospitals, and my job is to access a claim and take a prompt decision whether to accept the claim, to reject, or to raise any query.
Mm.
So this was my
Now,
job.
now, is it not done by TPS? Why should you be taken into insurance companies?
Sir, Star Health was a standalone insurance company, sir. They don't have any third-party administrator tie-up.
Oh, but Oriental must be having TPS. No?
Yes, sir. I'm not sure about it, sir. I'll search for it.
Yeah, you have to check it up. So now, mm, that means you will be taking care of health insurance claims, not necessarily related to dentist, but related to any aspect, correct? Any
Yes, sir.
other
Yes, sir.
other
Yes.
health insurance. How how are you competent to decide about, say, cardiology or say urinary treatment, whatever it is? Are you taught about these things also in your MBDS degree?
Sir, in BDS degree, we learn up to third year, we learn about general medicine, general surgery, and human anatomy, physiology,
Acha?
and all.
Oh,
So,
oh, up
so
to
we
3 years.
we know the basics. Yes, sir.
Oh, acha, acha. Very good. So that means you are equipped to analyze them. First class. I am convinced. Now, please tell me what is health insurance and why people take insurance policies.
Okay, sir. So health insurance is a contract between an individual and an insurance company where the insured pays a premium and the insurance company will uh, will help the customer in case of an hospitalization.
Don't
There are
use the
two
word.
types.
Don't use the word help.
Okay,
The insurance company will cover the risks.
we'll cover the risk. Okay, sir.
Now you said there are two types. What are they?
Yes, sir. There are cashless treatment and reimbursement treatment. In cashless, the insurance company pays directly to the hospital, that is a service provider. And in reimbursed treatment, the patient will pay for his medical bills and later comes to the insurance company and gets his money back.
Good. Now, have you gone through the website? I'm sure you must have gone through the website of our Oriental Insurance Company.
Yes, sir.
What are the points that are striking to your mind?
Oriental Insurance Company was established in 12 September 1947. It was owned by, it was a wholly owned government company. Uh, during the nationalization of Life Insurance Corporation, it was a subsidiary of it from 1956 to 1973. And following nationalization of general insurance business,
Mm,
1972, the government of India transferred all the general insurance business to General Insurance Corporation.
mm.
And following the amendment of General Insurance Business Act in 2002, the GIC ceased to be the holding company of its subsidiaries, and OACL was established with its headquarters in New Delhi, and all the shares owned by Government of India.
Um, yeah, you told about Oriental Insurance. No, I was asking, what are the things you noticed in their website? Now, can you tell me about their health policies? What are the policies they are issuing?
In health section, they have policies like UCO healthcare, UCO youth care policy, and happy family photo policy, a critical illness policy, cancer protect policy, uh, etc. in health section, sir.
What is Arogya Sanjeevani policy? You have not studied that.
No, sir. No, sir.
Of course, they may not ask that much in detail. And they have come out with Oriental Cancer Project policy, Oriental Critical Illness policy, Oriental Happy Clash Nischint Rahain. Okay, what is that? No, I suggest
Mm,
one. You must go through all the health related policies thoroughly.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No, you should know the features of them.
Okay, sir.
Whereas, and another favorite question of them is motor vehicle policy.
Okay, sir.
Under that, what are the policies they are issuing? What your company is issuing, you please go through that.
Okay, sir.
And you know the names of other policies like travel policies, then Nagrik Suraksha policy, Saral Suraksha Bima policy, personal accident policy, Janata personal accident policy, like that. But here, you need not go through every details of them, but at
Okay.
least know what it is. What is the in respect of personal accident and all, you can know what is the policy. Say claim amount they are covering to, and premium
Mm,
what is it they are charging. Similarly,
mm,
Janata personal
okay.
accident, like that you should
Okay.
get to know that, because
Okay, sir.
they may ask something related. You need not know about Fasal Bima Yojana. Just you know
Mm,
the rural policies names only.
mm,
Livestock
okay.
cattle policy names only you can know. Then fire
Okay, sir.
insurance policy also you know. Then you tell me about the performance of Oriental insurance. How many branches are there? How many policies are they issuing? What is the income they are getting? Like that. Do you know some ideas?
Uh, yes,
You
sir.
have to you have to prepare on them also. Next time when you come, I will ask.
Okay, sir.
Because in recently in NICAL, they are asking questions like what is life insurance, what is general insurance, what is health insurance, what is
Okay.
ULIP. Have you heard what is ULIP? You know?
Yes, sir. ULIP stands for Unit Linked Insurance Program. It is both insurance protection and investment. The premium, the premium obtained is divided into three parts: one for mortality cover, and one for expenses cover, and another for the investment purpose.
Now there can be one more question to you also. In Star Health Insurance, what are the policies they are issuing? And
The
more
most famous,
especially now, what which is famous?
sir. Now, Star Health Assured policy is a famous one.
Among them, which is famous?
So the policy name is itself Star Health Assured policy.
What is that? What are the features of that?
So the features are the Ayush for the Ayush treatments, the coverage is up to the sum insured. And in
Mm.
Star Health policy, they also pay the deductibles. There are something called
Mm.
sir, so there are some expenses in the hospital bill that the hospital won't pay basically. There are called non-payables. And example, the IV
Mm.
cannula and some uh, plastic product that we buy from the pharmacy. Those
Mm.
are called non-payables, and they have a list of it. So
And I think
those things are also
a star is only health insurance. They don't do general insurance. Only
yes,
health
sir.
insurance.
Yes, sir.
And I think they are doing a good business. They are covering 17 crore lives,
Yes, sir.
17 crore and 14,000 network hospitals, and 90% cashless claims settled in 2 hours. Will they settle in 2 hours and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha? Oh,
Sir,
if it is
we have a timeline, sir.
within one few days, 1 or 2 days, it will be done.
For some cases, maybe that may be the case because of some doubts or extra documents needed. But we have a 2 hour installed in that management portal to be completed within the 2 hour for every enhancement cases.
Acha. They have a scheme like consult with specialists also. Were you doing consultation also for the insured
No,
people?
sir.
But why
No, sir.
telemedicine? They say telemedicine, free expert health consult. Are you aware of
Sir,
that? You are not aware of that.
yes, sir, I'm aware. Yes, sir, I know. They have panel of doctors uh, from whom they'll do the teleconsultation and the medical
Oh,
opinion.
telemedicine. Acha. Then expert advice on COVID-19. Your health library blogs from our experts. OPD services, a click. What is that outpatient portal? Perhaps it has come only
I'm not aware of
recently.
it, sir.
Perhaps it has come only
Yes.
recently. Yeah, very good. So then that is not required for you. We will go for regular questions. Good. Please tell me the what are the functions of IRDAI?
Uh, uh, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is a regulatory body for insurance companies in India. Uh, they their functions are to provide a certificate of registration and to provide license renewal and cancellation. They manage the funds. They provide the code of conduct for loss assessors and surveyors and other intermediaries. Uh, they they provide guidelines as to how to manage the investment funds of the insurance company. They also suggest guidelines to the tariff advisory committee,
Hmm,
and their main goal is to protect the interest of the policyholders.
hmm, good. Who is the chairman of IRDAI?
Jebashish Panda is sir is the chair.
Debasish Panda. Correct. Good. Now, you know who is, which bank are you having account?
I'm having account in SBI banks.
Who is the chairman of SBI now?
Uh, Chala Srinivastu Reddy, Chala Srinivastu Reddy, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Who is the RBI governor now?
Sir, recently RBI, 26 RBI governor have taken position. So his name is Sanjay Malhotra.
Good. Excellent. You are in touch with current affairs also. I am happy.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, next question is, what do you know about the Russia-Ukraine war?
I have to read about it, sir. I'm sorry.
They are asking such
Okay.
questions. It is there in page number 2 itself. Such questions are there.
Okay,
Then,
sir.
yeah, you must know about, right now, you must be knowing about um, Russia-Ukraine war, then change of presidentship in America, then
Yes.
Syria problems,
Yes, sir.
Israel and other problems. So
Hamas problem.
you must know all these things. Bangladesh problem. These things you must know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What do you know about reinsurance?
Reinsurance in simplest term called insurance of insurance, where the insurance company pays an amount to the reinsurance company to cover them in case of a risk or loss.
What is meant by underwriting?
Underwriting is a process of risk assessment and risk analysis. And underwriter is the one who analyzes the risk and sets the premium for the policy.
Mhm. So, do you know what are the principles of insurance?
Yes, sir. There are seven principles of insurance. Principle of indemnity, principle of insurable interest, principle of subrogation, principle of contribution, principle of loss minimization, principle of utmost good faith, and the principle of
No, why your voice is getting cut? 1 minute. I'll make this video without. Yeah, voice was getting cut. Can you repeat that seven principles of insurance?
utmost good faith, principle of insurable interest, principle of indemnity, principle of subrogation, principle of contribution, principle of loss minimization, and principle of proximate cause.
Super. Can you tell me about subrogation?
Yes, sir. Subrogation is is when the once the customers indemnified of the risk, he loses the rights to claim benefit from the third party, and that rights gets transferred to the insurance company. Subrogation makes sure that
What is
the
what is insurable interest?
insurable interest. While taking a policy, the customer should have an insurable interest in that particular matter. It means um, the person or a property who is insured should have a legal relationship with the customer,
No,
so
you can,
that
no, no. In your case, you can say the person insuring must have interest that it must be for his spouse or
okay, okay,
sons or daughters. Like that, you can
okay,
say. Good,
okay, sir.
very good. Thank you. Best wishes. Next time when you come, I will ask deeper questions relating to Oriental insurance, then motor vehicle policy, and those
Okay, sir.
things also. They do ask for such people. And but of course, majority cases, they will discuss with you just as we were talking informally.
Okay, okay,
And of course, on first you are going to have all the people going for health insurance only. I
okay.
mean, sorry, I mean, all the people will be doctors only.
Doctors, yes, yes.
Yeah, 30th is for others. 30th and probably 31st also for others. So
Okay,
first will be doctors. So among them, you should be able to answer confidently.
okay, sir.
Very silly questions. What is your understanding of insurance industry? Why do you want to work in insurance sector? These are
Okay,
routine questions. Please prepare. What are the
okay,
different types of insurance policies? Prepare for them so that next time we meet, you can tell you can tell still more authoritatively. You were answering well, but
okay, sir.
sort of some authoritativeness was not present. That is what
Okay, sir.
I believe. 1 minute, I will stop.